Hi, my name is Nevine Gerits. I am the director of the film The Pasha, My Mother and I. I'm very pleased that the film got selected for the Kurdish New York Film Festival, and the film tells a story about my mother, who is a Kurdish activist living in Brussels, Belgium, and me, her daughter, looking for answers about where this passion for this country, Kurdistan, where it comes from. So I got some answers through letters of my grandfather, Pervine Jamil Pasha, who was one of the founders of the Kurdish modern movement in 1918. It's a film about transmission, about what one generation expects from the other and how to pass on certain expectations. So I'm very, very pleased to meet you all, the Kurdish community in New York, and see you there. Bye-bye.